FieldVu Mobile has a great feature called Forms. Forms allow a field worker to create non-transactional documents and attach them to work orders or field tickets. Common uses for forms are daily inspections, job safety reports, and activity sheets. This can really be any document that field workers use to record non-transactional information. By non-transactional, we mean any data that you or your customers need that does not affect the general ledger. To create a form, let's open up a field ticket and go to the Form tab. Here we can select from a list of predefined forms. The form can look like any document that you may already have. You design the form to match your needs and add the fields that you need. Here are some of the possible field types. We have calendars for recording the date and time. We have drop-down lists for predefined lists. We have text fields for freehand text. We can have formatted numbers. And we have checkboxes for easy selection. We also have signature fields. Once you're done filling out the forms, you just simply save it and submit it. The form now becomes part of the job history and is immediately available for the back office to review. The form always makes it back to the back office and it's never lost. The forms are now available for reporting and for searching. Forms is one of the many standard features of FieldVu Mobile.